Hello. We are the Syndicate.
You guys did not answer the questions we asked in our last two videos, so here we are with another one. You have a time machine and have a chance to stop one thing from happening in 2020. What would it be?
Something happened in 2019 which almost ruined all of 2020.
Oh, yes, the reason we're at home. Or maybe not right now. If you still don't get it, T is bit.
It is unknown where this virus actually began. While there are many conspiracies that it started in the Wuhan wet market, where it is said that bats and other wild animals were sold as food.
There's another theory that the Chinese government created COVID 19 as a biological weapon, but we will definitely not enter that because it kind of borders on conspiracy theories, and here at the Syndicate we spit straight facts.
And another theory that
Stop! We don't have to make a video that long. Cool. So it is said to have started in the Wuhan market where the first globally reported case came from Wuhan.
next day we entered into a year we thought would be our year, 2020. Global newspapers showed this as a new unknown virus, and the city of Wuhan went under lockdown. This was the beginning of a worldwide pandemic.
After a few days, a person in Thailand contracted this unknown virus, the first case outside of China. The seafood market where this is known to have begun was closed indefinitely. Wuhan started thermal screening passengers going in and out of the airport.
A few days later, Japan reported its first case of the now novel coronavirus, the name given by the WHO. A day later, the first death was reported from Wuhan, the first worldwide death, with thousands more to come. A few days later, South Korea reports its first case.
A few days later, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and the US reported its first case. The virus was now out of Asia. Now, here's the interesting part. North Korea closed its borders for international travelers, but hardly any people even travel to North Korea. Maybe they were just being safe. Singapore then reported its first case, and then a few days later, France, Vietnam, and Nepal reported their first positive case. The next day, Australia and Canada reported their first case. The virus had very little grip over Europe at the time, but it was about to be its next epicenter.
Later, the UAE and Finland reported their case, but no other country except China had entered a lockdown or curfew yet. The next day, India and the Philippines reported their first case. It had reached 5 of the 6 inhabitable continents, with South America being COVID free till now. The next day, Russia, Italy, and the UK reported their first case. These three countries would go on and become one of the largest COVID hotspots in the world.
A few days later, the Philippines reported the first death due to COVID outside China. A new hospital in Wuhan was built from scratch in a record 10 days. Ministers of the G7 nations agreed to work on their responses to the outbreak, and Belgium reported its first case.
Now comes the part of the Diamond cruise ship near the coast of Japan, which reported more than 700 cases, which is known to be the super spreader of the virus across the world. American President Donald Trump and Mr. Pooh, Xi Jinping, have a talk related to COVID 19. COVID enters Latin America through this cruise ship. The status is as of Feb 7th, 2020.
25 countries had reported COVID cases. Global cases crossed 31,484 deaths worldwide, while only 2 deaths outside of China.
A few days later, the toll from COVID surpassed the toll of SARS outbreak of 2002 and 3. The novel coronavirus or COVID-19 or 2019 nCoV or SARS COVID 2 was now compared to the Spanish flu outbreak of 1918. On Feb 11th, 2020, COVID death toll worldwide crossed 1,000.
A WHO team assembles in China to study the virus and the origin of it, something which is not fully known. France reports its first death first outside Asia and the first in Europe. Iran confirms its first positive case, the second death in the Middle East after UAE. Italy reports its first death. COVID now reached Oman, Kuwait, Iraq, Bahrain, and even Afghanistan.
Switzerland, Croatia, Austria, and Algeria confirmed their first case of COVID 19. Next, Georgia, the country, not the American state, Greece, the country that shall not be named, Norway, and Pakistan report the first case of COVID 19. And
Yeah, I think this is too much for one video, so stay tuned for part 2.
And please don't benodify the comments. I mean, it's a dead meme.
And subscribe to the syndicate for more discussions on random topics.